Okay, so let's practice a couple of lens equation problems. The first one says a convex lens with a focal length of 6 centimeters is held 8 centimeters from an insect that is 0.5 centimeters high. Where is the image located and how large does the image appear to be? So since this is a convex lens, I know that my focal length will be positive. So 1 over f equals 1 over di. So dO will say 1 over di. And then I can plug in my focal length. 1 over 6 is equal to 1 over 8. 8 is the distance of the object to the lens plus 1 over di. So go ahead and pause the video, calculate di, and you should get 24 centimeters. Now, to find how large the image appears to be, you're going to have to use the magnification equation. Remember, it's negative di over do equals hi over ho. We don't have the magnification, so we're going to be using this proportion here. So I'm going to say negative 24, which is what I just calculated here, over the object, this is 8, equals hi over the object height, which they give me as 0.5 centimeters. 0.5. Go ahead and pause, do a calculation. You should get for the image height negative 1.5 centimeters. Hold on, I'm recording. Okay. So let's try this. The second problem says a candle is placed 40 centimeters in front of a concave lens that has a focal length of 20 centimeters. What is the image distance and what is the magnification of the candle? So since this is a concave lens, some things are going to be different. But now we're looking for the we are looking for the image distance. The focal length they give me as 20, but remember in a concave lens, we have to make that negative. So this is going to be 1 over do plus 1 over di. So the focal length is 1 over negative 20 equals 1 over 40, that is the object distance, plus 1 over di. Go ahead and pause, find di. You should have gotten negative 13.33 centimeters. Does it make sense that it's negative? Yes. Concave lenses have negative image distance. All right, the second question says, what is the magnification of the candle? So again, remember magnification equals negative I over do equals hi over ho. Since we are not given any of the heights, object or image, we can't use this part, so we're just going to use this portion here to calculate magnification. So magnification is going to be negative 13.33 over 40. And you should get as an answer a positive 0.33. And so that means that the image is actually smaller or a third of the size of the object.